My dad was in palliative care for a lot of the last year, and he passed away this January. And I wanted to do something that would be sort of as a thank you towards the people in hospice that volunteer and for all the staff at palliative care for all the time that they gave to him that we simply wouldn't have had otherwise. My friends run this store. Last year they did a benefit fundraiser for my mom and dad because of this. They did a raffle. It was really nice, really everybody in the community really banded behind it. So now here we are, it's been a number of months since my dad passed, and I've come to terms with what's happened. It took some time, and it still hurts, and it's still going to hurt for a long time, but I just felt like if I could do something positive in the wake of all this, that it would give me the kind of catharsis I needed to help me move on and my family move on and that sort of thing. So yeah, we're doing a 24-hour game. We're selling raffle tickets. There's 2 different draws. One's for palliative care, one's for hospice. There's going to be people coming in and out to play games. They're spending money to participate. We're going to have a really good time. Every 1,000 points of mine that are destroyed, the store's donating $50, which is awesome. And I know that might sound like a lot. It might not sound like a lot, but it's going to add up. So it's a really great contribution on their part.
Yes, honestly, it feels great to spend time with people that have the same interest in what we all enjoy. This is the setup for Warhammer 40,000, which is a game that takes place in the year 40,000. Basically, it's a turn-based grand strategy war game. So you start off with 2 separate armies and 3 different phases, and it's a combination of stats, chance through dice rolling, and different power balances.
So my dad, I've actually showed him the hobby. He doesn't play. He never did. But I showed him some of the stuff I did, and he, I remember showing him one of the models I did, and he says, that's looks like a real soldier, is what he said. And I said, you know what, Dad, it kind of does, doesn't it, in a way? After he passed away, I actually decided that one of my models, I'd paint it as kind of a commemoration to him.